Hey Budget Babes, it's Linda back again with another video. It's Budget Babe Tuesday and you know what that means, so stay tuned if you want to see what I got on this week's Dollar Tree visit. Okay, so I'm just gonna get started because I have a lot of things this week. First, I'm gonna start off with some balloons from the party section. So I found this super cute unicorn. It says that it's 20 inches and it's super cute. I also got 2 packs of these large confetti balloons. I really like to stock up on cute seasonal party balloons because you never know when you're gonna need them for parties. Also in the party section, I found these cute ice cream cups. How adorable are these for an ice cream party? So I'm definitely planning on doing a build your own sundae party soon. So next, I'm gonna show you what I got in the office supplies section. I was so excited to finally find these. I found the Happy Planner sticker book. Look at this. This retails for anywhere between like $13 and $17 at Walmart or Target. So this was such a good deal. I just had to get it. Let me just give you a glimpse of what kind of stickers are in this planner book. I am so excited. So the next item I found in the office section, I found this marble desk organizer. How gorgeous is this, guys? It is a really nice, almost like acrylic feeling material, and I think that this would look so nice in a bathroom if you have like a little decor and then your like toothbrush holder and soap dispenser. I personally am planning on using this on my vanity and putting my makeup brush holders here and maybe like some jewelry or something. But this was such a good find and it was the last one, so I had to get it. I'm going to show you some hair accessories that I found. They had them in gold and silver, but I got the gold because I personally am a fan of more gold. These are some cute hair clips. They're like bobby pin style and they have like pearl accent. The silver ones also had the pearl accent. And I just thought they were super cute. This one says XOXO and babe, and this one says girl boss. How cute. So also in the hair section, I found something that I had never seen at Dollar Tree before. It's a 2-piece set hair color application kit. How cool is that? It's the bowl to mix your hair dye, and then it also comes with the brush with the pick here for sectioning your hair. So I thought this was really cool. And last, for hair products, I found this brush. I really needed a new brush and I thought that this flower pattern was so cute, and I obviously had to get purple. They had different ones, but purple is my favorite color, so I just picked this up and it's a pretty good size. So this portion is for my guys out there. I see you. I know it's not just ladies here, and I found some fabulous stuff for the guys. So I'm going to show you now. I found the Nobleman facial and body wipes. These are specifically designed for men to freshen up and feel good. So this one is the post-workout face and body wipe. This one says with eucalyptus and vitamin C, and they come with 30 wipes. This one says it's the active face and body cleansing wipes with lemon and sage, also comes with 30 wipes. And this last one is cooling for the face and body with aloe and eucalyptus, also with 30 wipes. These are really nice, and I think these are great for guys. I mean, you guys need to freshen up too, you know, when you're at work or after the gym. These are really nice hygiene staples for the men out there. Next item for my guys out there, I found this Barbasol ear and nose trimmer. So I thought this was definitely a good find. Stainless steel blades, portable, battery powered, requires only one AA battery, and the head is washable. It says here that you can run it underwater for cleaning. So this was a pretty good find. So next, I'm going to show you some skincare items that I found. So first, I found this Milky Cleanser by So Fresh, So Clean. This is a pretty big bottle, and it says here 8.4 ounces. It has coconut milk, almond milk, and cherry. And on the top, it says made for him and her. Next, I found this avocado, olive, and basil Ultra Moisturizing Hand Therapy Cream by Crabtree and Evelyn. A little travel size hand cream, 0.9 ounces. Next in skincare, I found this Spascriptions facial mask stick. And see right here again, it says it's distributed by Global Beauty. Global Beauty is a skincare brand that is sometimes found at Dollar Tree. It's an energizing clay mask. And I like the idea that it's on a stick and it won't be as messy. So you kind of just pull off the cap. And this is really what drew me to it because there's no mess. It's just almost like a foundation stick and you put the facial mask all over your face. So next, I found this mini razor and I thought it was really nice and convenient. And I really like that it comes with a case. So I'm going to open it up to show you. I like that you can keep it in your shower like this or take it with you for traveling. It's a really nice compact size and you can put it away. And this is how it looks, and it has a really nice grip to it at the bottom. For hygiene products, I found some deodorant. So I found this Secret Outlast Sweat and Odor, and it says completely clean 48-hour invisible solid. I like to have travel size deodorants in my purse. I also found this Suave Rosemary and Mint deodorant, and I was happy to find this one because this one is a full size and it's Suave. So it says it's cruelty free, no parabens. It's formulated without aluminum, 100% natural, and it says 24-hour odor protection. So I figured why not? And rosemary and mint actually sounds pretty nice. So I'm hoping that this works out for me too. So next, I found some more press-on nails. I know, guys, I am obsessed with press-on nails. I hadn't seen this brand at my Dollar Tree before, and when I saw it, I was like, they look cute. This is by the brand Fingers, and they're the Edge press-on nails. And it says here that no glue is needed. And what really caught my eye, if you can tell here, is that it comes with 24 nails and 12 different sizes. So unlike the other Dollar Tree nails that I usually find, like the LA Colors or the Sassy and Chic, you can get 2 uses out of 1 pack. So now we're gonna get into the makeup. This is all the fun stuff that everyone wants to see. I found a Wet n Wild Mega Cushion highlighter. It's in the color Who's That Pearl, and I'm gonna open it up and show you. I really love these cushions. I think that they make application go on so nicely. So I'm just going to swatch it on my hand so that you guys can see. It's just like a really nice glow and it just melts into the skin. Next, I found another highlighter. This is the Hello Halo Liquid Highlighter by Wet n Wild. And this one is in the color Rosy and Ready. So this opens up like this, almost like a lip gloss. I feel like that will actually look really nice as an eyeshadow. Next in makeup, I found this Hard Candy Liquid Liner. This is in the color Java, which is a really pretty dark brown color. So this is what it looks like. And this is the applicator, and I'm gonna swatch it. Look at that. That is super nice. And it's a really nice full size too. Next, I found this Maybelline Color Sensational Lip Gloss. This one is in the color Mocha Amazing. How pretty is that? Oh, this is so gorgeous. Do you see the little specks of glitter in that? So let's give it a swatch on this hand. Ooh, look at how pretty that looks. That's a really nice gloss color. And last in makeup, I found another Maybelline product. This one is the Super Stay Multi-Use Foundation Stick. This one is in the color Fair Porcelain. So I'm gonna open it up and show you guys. It's double-sided. So on this end, if you open it up from the top, you have a nice little spongy applicator and it has an angle to it so you can get under the eyes. And this is a nice sponge for blending. And then the other side is the product. So that's as big as it goes. So that is all for today's Dollar Tree haul. I hope you guys enjoyed today's Budget Babe episode. As always, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe. Remember that I upload videos every Tuesday and Friday. Tuesdays are Budget Babe videos and Fridays are Fabulous Friday videos. I thank you guys so much for joining me on today's Budget Babe Tuesday. I hope to see you guys on Fabulous Friday. Bye, guys.